Hello, my dear friend. You might not feel it now, but you are far more powerful than you realize. The circumstances of your life, the challenges you face, and even the doubts that creep in are simply reflections of the ideas and beliefs you've held. They are not fixed, and they do not define you. What defines you is your awareness, the awareness of the power that created the universe, alive and active within you. Let me tell you this: you are chosen, not because you are special in comparison to others, but because you are special in your essence. You are an expression of infinite creation, of pure imagination, and of boundless potential. The only thing that limits you is the story you continue to tell yourself about who you are and what you can achieve. Do you know what makes this moment extraordinary? It's not the words you're hearing, it's the fact that, somewhere deep within, you're recognizing their truth. You are not separate from the divine power, you are that power, shaping your world moment by moment through your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. Pause for a moment and consider this: the life you are living right now is the result of what you have imagined to be true about yourself and your world. If there's something in your life you wish to change, it starts with a new idea, a new assumption about who you are and what is possible. You don't need permission from anyone to dream bigger, to believe in a higher vision for yourself. The only permission you need is your own willingness to say, "Yes, I am worthy." Here's where it gets really exciting: your imagination is the gateway to this transformation. It's not just a tool for daydreaming or idle thoughts. It's the creative force that brings things into being. What you persistently imagine with feeling becomes your reality. This is not a metaphor, it's the truth. The entire world around you is molded by what you accept as true in your inner world. You may be wondering, how can I begin to use this power? The answer is simple: start where you are. Close your eyes and imagine the life you desire as if it is already yours. Feel it deeply, as though it's happening now. See yourself living in that state, experiencing the joy, the freedom, the abundance. And here's the key: persist in that assumption, no matter what your current circumstances might suggest. Don't let doubt or fear distract you. They are merely shadows of old beliefs trying to hold on. You don't have to fight them. Simply return to your vision, to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When you do this consistently, your outer world will begin to shift in ways that seem almost magical. But it's not magic, it's the natural law of creation at work. Now, you may think, this sounds too simple. But simplicity is the hallmark of truth. The power to create lies in the consistency of your focus and the conviction of your belief. If you can hold steadfast to the reality you wish to experience, even in the face of apparent contradictions, you will see it come to pass. Take a moment to realize that there is nothing outside of you that can stop you. The only thing standing between you and the life you desire is your own disbelief. And disbelief is nothing more than a habit that can be replaced with faith and certainty. Let this be your turning point. Let this be the moment you decide to claim your power and step into the life you were meant to live. Not because someone told you to, but because you finally recognize that you are that power. You are the creator of your experience, and you always have been. So, what will you imagine today? What will you believe about yourself? The world will always reflect back to you what you assume to be true. There's a fundamental truth that you must come to realize: everything that exists in your life right now is a direct result of the assumptions and beliefs you hold about yourself and the world around you. You may think that your current circumstances are beyond your control, but this could not be further from the truth. The reality that you see, feel, and experience each day is shaped by the power of your thoughts and the energy you direct towards them. Your inner world, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, sets the stage for the outer world to reflect them back to you. It is crucial to understand that the power to change your life resides entirely within you. There is no need to wait for a perfect moment or for things outside of you to change in order to experience a shift. The shift begins with you. The moment you begin to truly believe that you have the power to change your inner narrative, you start to create a new outer reality. This change does not require any special conditions or circumstances, it simply requires your willingness to imagine and assume a new truth for yourself. You've likely heard the saying, as within, so without. This means that your inner state, your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, create the outer world you experience. If you wish to see a change in your life, begin by changing what's within you. If you change the way you think about yourself, your life, and the world, the external world must conform to those new beliefs. The most powerful tool you have at your disposal is your imagination. Your imagination is not just for fantasy or daydreams, it is the creative power of the universe within you. It is through the focused use of your imagination that you begin to bring your desires and dreams into physical reality. When you imagine something, you are not simply creating a mental image, you are setting in motion the creative forces that will bring that image to life. To truly harness this power, you must not doubt the process. Doubt is the enemy of creation. Doubt arises when you give more attention to what is currently happening in your life than to the vision you hold in your mind. Doubt arises when you allow the appearances of things to dictate what you believe is possible. To create a new reality, you must focus on your desired outcome with unwavering faith, even when the circumstances seem to contradict it. The more you persist in this belief, the more you align with the creative power within you, and the more you will begin to see your world shift. Your thoughts and feelings are not random. They are the keys to creating your reality. If you want to manifest something, you must be in the feeling state of already having it. This means that when you imagine your desires, you must not simply visualize them, you must feel the emotions of already living that reality. Feel the joy, the excitement, the satisfaction, as though it has already happened. This is where the magic lies, because your emotions, combined with your thoughts, carry the creative energy that shapes the world around you. It is not enough to simply think about your desires. You must believe in them with all of your being. The belief you hold will ultimately determine your outcome. When you trust in the power of your imagination, and when you fully believe in the reality of your desires, the universe must respond in kind. Your beliefs create your reality, so if you believe in the possibility of success, happiness, and fulfillment, then those things must come to you. This is where most people struggle. They know what they want, but they doubt their ability to receive it. This doubt often stems from past experiences, limiting beliefs, or fear of failure. However, it's essential to let go of these fears. Your past does not define you. The only thing that holds power over you is what you believe in the present moment. The moment you stop believing in your limitations and start believing in your ability to manifest your desires, the world around you will begin to shift in miraculous ways. Assume the best, and the best will unfold before you. You are chosen to bring forth something extraordinary into this world. Don't let anything hold you back, not fear, not doubt, and certainly not the illusion of limitations. You are here for a reason. And that reason is to discover that you are, and always have been, one with the infinite. Now is the time to live from that truth. Nothing is holding you back except the story you've been telling yourself. Change the story, and you change your life. You are chosen for something special, something only you can bring into this world. Trust in that, believe in yourself, and step boldly into the life that is already waiting for you. It's not out there somewhere, it's here, right now, within you. All you need to do is claim it. This is your moment. This is your awakening. Go forward with faith, and note that you are never alone. You are always connected to the source of all life, all creation, all love. It is within you, and it always will be.